I'm studying for the Site Safety Manager exam, and I'm reviewing New York City Department of Buildings Building Code, year 2014, Chapter 33, which is Safeguards During Construction or Demolition, Subsection 3306. I have sections here that help me study, and I've picked out sections based upon the 40-hour class that I had taken. 3306.2.1 Safety Zone. The safety zones shall be provided around all demolition areas to prevent persons other than workers from entering such zone. Where demolition occurs on the exterior of a building, such zone shall be approved by the commissioner prior to the commencement of demolition. Where mechanical demolition equipment other than handheld devices is to be used for the full demolition of a building, the safety zone shall be equal to or greater than half the height of the building to be demolished. Such safety zone shall be reduced by the same ratio as the building being demolished. Exception: approval of the commissioner is not required for a safety zone established for demolition on the exterior of a building, provided the work is a minor alteration or ordinary repair and is accomplished without any mechanical demolition equipment or other handheld devices. 3306.3.1 Notification of the department. The permit holder shall notify the department via phone or electronically at least 24 hours, but no more than 48 hours prior to the commencement of such work. Moving to 3307. 3307.2.6 Requirements for sidewalks, temporary walkways, footbridges, and pathways. Sidewalks, walkways, footbridges, and pathways that remain open to the public shall be accessible and shall be provided with 1. A clear path free of obstruction and at least 5 feet wide. 2. A durable walkway surface capable of supporting all imposed loads, and in no case shall the design live loads be less than 150 pounds per square foot. 3. Mirrors at all blind corners. 4. For a temporary walkway or footbridge where there is a change in elevation along the walkway or footbridge, a ramp with a running slope not steeper than 1 unit vertical and 12 units horizontal, 8% slope, with a level landing at least 5 feet long at the top and bottom of each run. 5. For a temporary walkway or footbridge where the running slope of such walkway or footbridge is steeper than 1 unit vertical in 20 units horizontal, 5% slope, and there is a total rise greater than 6 inches, handrails. Exception: where it is not possible to provide the clear path to the extent required by item 1 above, the sidewalk or pathway shall be kept open to the extent required by the Department of Transportation, as well as comply with applicable provisions of the ADA General Accessibility Guidelines for buildings and facilities and or ADA accessibility guidelines for pedestrian facilities in the public right-of-way as applicable. I shall move on in the next video to 3308. Stay tuned.